Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Chuhai, a popular Japanese cocktail made with Shouchu liquor. Shouchu can be distilled from various things such as rice, potato, or wheat. There are two kinds of Shouchu. One is called otsu with a strong flavor from ingredients, and the other called ko with much less flavor similar to vodka. For Chuhai, we prefer using ko Shouchu as the drink is mixed with other flavor ingredients. Since Shouchu is pretty strong, we definitely mix it with club soda. For flavoring, today we are using Calpico yogurt drink concentrate and fresh grapefruit juice. You can mix it just about any syrup with fruit juice if you like. First, we make the grapefruit Chuhai. In a glass filled with ice cubes, add grapefruit juice and Shouchu. Then fill with club soda to the top. For Calpico Chuhai, replace the grapefruit juice with Calpico concentrate. Garnish with a slice of lemon or mint. You can adjust the strength and sweetness just the way you like. Enjoy!
美味しいね。